are pleased to show you the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sport car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, Sirius Satellite Radio, tachometer, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.